Greetings, everyone. How are you? Welcome. Wow, another week has gone by. I hope that everyone in your life is safe and healthy as possible. I want to offer a little bit of explanation before we begin our meditation, as some questions came up last week. So when you select a person or being, it can be a person that you know and is currently in your life. It can be a pet. It can be a house plant or a plant in nature. It can be a spiritual figure. It can be Jesus Christ or whoever that you may hold in a spiritual way. So the purpose of the being that you call to mind as you go forward with your loving kindness meditation is to allow you to feel and sense into that relationship of unconditional love and support. And so it's very important that this be an easy relationship, not one that's filled with a lot of drama or conflict, but rather, that's why a pet can often be a good choice, but rather someone or some being that you can feel a very simple, open-hearted connection with. And today we're going to focus on the feeling of appreciation and love. So with that, let's make ourselves comfortable. One moment, please. And allow the sound of the chime to call you to presence right here, right now. You might want to begin with a few cleansing breaths or shoulder rolls or squeeze, anything that helps you release tension and allow you to rest at ease in your seat or if you're lying or standing. Either close your eyes or lower and soften your gaze. I apologize for my dog, but such are the normal distractions in life. So in allowing yourself to return to that sense of center and bring your attention to your breath. Make no effort to control your breath, only notice that you are breathing. Sensing into the movement of the breath, noticing where you feel it most strongly. Perhaps in the nostrils, the chest and shoulders, the belly, or maybe you simply have only a general sense of breathing as it happens, whatever your experience of noticing breath. And as you settle into the breath, draw into your mind's eye and into your heart that being for whom you have a relationship of unconditional love and support, a genuine feeling of appreciation, mutual and solid. And allow yourself to fill out the sense of being in the presence of this being. Noticing how he or she or it looks, colors, textures, sensing into how you feel when you're in the presence of this being. Familiar objects that may be typically around, any aromas, sensations, and feeling into the warmth in your heart, that being in the presence of one who loves and supports you unconditionally feels like. And imagine you're gazing at this being and pausing to notice the innate goodness, the true goodness within the heart of this being, and how he, she, or it supports you, loves you, appreciates you to the best of its abilities through good and bad, the steadiness, the consistency, the constancy of that support. And allow you to really feel that and to appreciate, to connect with how much you appreciate that presence in your life. And then offer to this being a genuine and sincere wish that its sorrows and burdens, whatever they may be, are eased. And that this being is as healthy and happy and as strong as possible. And extend your sincere wish that loving kindness and peace be with this being today and always. And notice how good it feels to share those positive sentiments. And now imagine this being looking at you and bathing you also in appreciation for your relationship, for your interconnectedness, for your presence in each other's life. And together, see the innate goodness and beauty that lies within you. Notice the effort and simple beauty of your intentions to live and give to the best of your ability in every moment and through every day, as best as you can, to express this sincere goodness that lies within you. And pause to sincerely appreciate, together with this being who loves you and supports you unconditionally, together, both of you, appreciate you. Appreciate that goodness that lies within you. Acknowledge your inner beauty, your inner goodness, your inner truth of love. And breathe into that feeling of appreciation for that goodness and love within you. And together with your partner, offer to yourself an easing of your burdens and sorrows. And together, offer to yourself a genuine, heartfelt wish that you be as healthy and as strong as possible to face whatever comes your way. And breathe into this combined wish for your well-being, both from your dearest being and from yourself for yourself. And offer loving kindness together to yourself, that you may have ease and love and kindness as you travel forward through this day and always. And notice how good it feels to lean into the support of someone who genuinely has your back, who genuinely sees your goodness, who sees your efforts to always be your best and do your best as best you can, and to acknowledge the love and goodness that lies within you. And savor that feeling. Breathing deeply. Feeling the support of the earth beneath you, supporting you, your being, friends, loved ones, community, and holding all of us, even those of us here together. Feel the support at your back of all those who have you, your community, your friends, your loved ones. And feel the support in front of you, of us here together, sharing this goodwill and extending it out to all who may benefit. Continuing to rest in these feelings, allow the chime to call you back to presence. Perhaps rolling your shoulders, taking a yawn, enjoying a stretch, opening your eyes if your eyes have been closed. Thank you, sincerely from my heart, for sharing this time together. I see the goodness within you, and I wish you ease and peace.